In the name of God, making natural and home cosmetics. Learn how to make natural and home cosmetics. If you also like to use 100% natural and healthy cosmetics, don't miss this article because it introduces you to the preparation of cosmetic products such as moisturizing creams, masks, shampoos, deodorants, etc. You can make your own homemade cosmetics at a lower cost, just as easily and just as beautiful. Paraben-free deodorant. According to numerous studies, some old deodorants are harmful. In fact, the parabens in them disrupt the function of the hormone estrogen and increase the risk of breast cancer. But don't worry, wheat alum is the safest way to fight body odor. This stone fights bacteria that cause an unpleasant odor of sweat and prevents excessive sweating without clogging the pores of the skin. To do this, put wet wheat alum on your clean and dry skin and be sure that it will be effective. Moisturizing lotion. To prepare this lotion, you need 3 tablespoons of borage. The method of preparation is that you have to heat a liter of water and pour it on borage flour. Cover the pan and let it brew for a few minutes. Strain the solution and allow to cool. Pour the prepared lotion into a glass jar with a lid and apply it on your body and face morning and night. The shelf life of this lotion is 1 week in a closed glass container and in the refrigerator. Cleansing facial skin. To hydrate and color your facial skin, just pour a handful of thyme and a handful of chamomile or sage into a bowl of cold water and bring to a boil. Cover and simmer on low heat for 50 minutes. Then strain the solution and pour into a bowl. Now put a towel or handkerchief on your head and soak your face for 10 minutes. Eye cream. To remove bruising under the eyes, just pour a liter of hot water on a handful of chamomile, cover the container and let it brew for a few minutes. Then strain the solution and pour into a sealed jar. Every night after you clean your makeup, dip a cotton ball in it and apply it on the bruises around the eyes. Be sure to keep the jar containing this solution in the refrigerator and discard the rest after a week. Shampoo. To prepare a homemade shampoo, it is enough to prepare a handful of soaked gazelle plants. Heat a liter of water and pour over the plant. Cover the pan and let it brew for 50 minutes. Then pass the solution through a strainer and pour it into a glass jar and use this shampoo while bathing. If you want your hair to be shiny and shiny, it is better to use wheat flour or lavender. In this way, brew 3 tablespoons of this plant with a liter of water and rinse your hair. Body emollients. Body emollients. Pour 3 handfuls of green tea into 3 liters of water and boil. Then pour this infusion into a hot tub, 38 degrees Celsius, and leave your body in this emollient exceed for 50 to 20 minutes of once a week. You will see that you will have a soft and delicate body. Anti-cellulite cream. Cellulite is the deformed accumulation of fats whose metabolism is disturbed. These fats accumulate under the skin along with some toxins, which is more common in women. To solve this problem, pour a handful of spira, a handful of E, and a handful of chestnut break in cold water and boil. Then place in a saucepan and simmer on low heat for 50 minutes. Strain the solution and apply daily on the thigh, hips, abdomen, arms, and other parts of the body. The maximum storage time of this solution is 24 hours in the refrigerator. For tanning, you need a few handfuls of tea to tan your body without worries. Fill the bathtub with 38 degrees Celsius water. For every liter, add 5 handfuls of black tea to the water and lay in the tub for 20 minutes. To tan your face, pour a handful of black tea in a liter of cold water and boil. Then cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat for 50 minutes. Cool the solution and use this decoction once a week to tan your face, in order to flower the cheeks and redden the lips. Try this ingredient: beetroot. Instead of lipstick and blush, you can use beets. Cut a slice of fresh beet and drop it gently on your lips and cheeks. Or you can pour a little coconut oil on a piece of cotton and apply card to it, and then apply it on the cheeks or lips for annoying and ugly stains. Try this item: yogurt. Using high-fat yogurt, you can eliminate unwanted redness of the skin. It also regulates bacteria and closes open pores in the skin. Lactic acid in yogurt kills dead and inactive skin cells. It is very important to use high-fat yogurt for this purpose. For subcutaneous fat, try this ingredient: caffeinated coffee beans. Add some caffeinated coffee beans to your body scrub to shrink blood vessels and increase blood flow to your skin when applied topically. Anti-puffins eye creams have the same property and reduce the amount of skin oil. Pumpkin is also rich in vitamin A, and rubbing it on the skin has anti-aging and rejuvenating properties. If you have sensitive skin, try this ingredient: oatmeal peeler. Buy oatmeal and chop in a food processor. Let it stay a little coarser for better exfoliating properties. Add chopped oats to your cleanser and apply quickly on the skin. Gently massage this lotion on the skin of the face. Of course, be careful not to look around. Then wash your face with lukewarm water. This scrub is great for sensitive skin. As a makeup remover, try this ingredient: coconut oil. Use coconut oil to remove eye makeup. This oil cleans even waterproof cosmetics well around the eyes and moisturizes that area. Gently rub a little oil into the eyes with your finger. Then use a cotton swab to remove the cosmetic. Tip: after removing makeup, apply some coconut oil on the eyes and take advantage of it overnight. To strengthen the nails. To prevent brittle nails, prepare a handful of horsetail plant. This plant contains silica and is effective in removing kidney stones, urinary tract infection, and nail wear. Pour the horsetail plant into cold water and boil it. Then lower the heat and simmer for 50 minutes. Strain the solution and pour into a large container. Soak your nails in this solution for 10 minutes daily. You do not have to spend a fortune to buy expensive creams, lotions, cosmetics, and toners. You can easily make your skin clear, beautiful, and make up with smell and simple foods such as coffee, yogurt, and beets. The advantage of these foods is that you no longer put all kinds of chemical on your skin. The end.